What is going on YouTube? Hinterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to continue from where we left off yesterday. Now, for those that don't remember, as you can see in yesterday's video, we're basically talking about the fact that XRP Ripple holders, the breakout is confirmed, and there is indeed a fourth bull run coming for XRP, and I'm going to try to prove that a little bit more in today's episode, but I am getting pretty pumped and pretty excited from the indicators that the markets are showing, and I honestly think it's only a matter of time before the markets see a pump in, all across the boards here in all the cryptocurrencies, including the S&P 500. But as you guys can clearly see, what I had drawn in yesterday's video was a beautiful and I think remarkable uptrend. You can see the bull flag right here. And then here are the flag pole, and then here's the actual flag to the downside here. Now, over the past couple of days, we've been kind of analyzing the markets here because for the most part, even with the indicators that we drew, we were kind of trading out of them with very little volume, which is an indicator to me that we didn't have the lines drawn correctly here. So we've tweaked them ever so slightly on XRP. We tweaked them ever so slightly on the other cryptocurrencies, and I waited to make this video till after 9:30 to see how the stock market opens, and we're doing a really good thing. So I'm getting very excited. Hopefully you guys are too. If you're missing out and you're not going to watch this video to the end, you are most definitely going to lose out on these big trades that are coming here. But I can almost bet money. Actually, no, I would bet money, honestly, that we are going to see a pop very, very soon. Honestly, probably this week within most of the major cryptocurrencies. So I am very excited to see what happens here. Hopefully you guys are too, but let's just dive right into today's episode. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. So before we continue any further, top 10 cryptocurrencies trading at $1.05 trillion right here. You can see for the most part, everything looks to be doing okay, but there's lots of consolidation and lots of flatline. You can see we haven't really moved at all, 0.08% over the past week here, today, excuse me. But you can see flatlined out on Bitcoin and on Ethereum and on BNB, XRP for the most part. Everything, as you guys can see, is literally dead in its tracks, dead in the water. And I would like to explain why this is happening here, because we are preparing for a big pump within the markets here. You can see that every single indicator in my book, textbook, is showing signs that a pump is coming here. More than likely a breakout to the upside and not to the downside here. And it's going to be fairly large, so keep your eyes peeled on this, and I'll show you how to take advantage of it. But to cover across the board all the popular indicators here, first and foremost, we've slightly tweaked the original charting that we had here to pretty much show that this is a fourth bull flag forming on XRP here. You can see clear as day. The first bull flag was right here, uptrend, bull flag. That's number one. Uptrend right here. Bull flag is number two. We go right here. Uptrend, bull flag number three. And here we are forming the fourth bull flag. You can see history repeating itself. We've slightly tweaked the charts here. But you can see here's the flag pole. And here is the beautiful downtrend where we filled in the gap here. And everything and all the indicators are leading that this is the actual accurate charting that we have here. Because you can see every time we originally fall within these fractals here, we don't hit the top. It's usually the bottom. We consolidate, then we break out. As you can see here, we hit the bottom, we consolidate out, then we break out. You can see again, consolidate down, consolidate, or fill in the gap here, then break to the upside here. Same exact pattern is happening on XRP, right now as I speak here, where we have the beautiful break to the downside here. We have this major drop. We consolidate. Now we're filling in the gap here, stuck between a rock and a hard place. The downtrend and the price floor. Fill in this gap. Decision has to be made. More than likely going to be a break to the upside. On top of that, we've been flatlined out here. Jumping to the 4 hour, you can see we're causing some sort of like symmetrical triangle here. I'm going to just pull this down ever so slightly because this is what seems to make more sense right now. You can see right here. Yeah, I guess we'll leave it like this, but you can see here's the uptrend, just like this. So we're filling in the gap here, causing some sort of ascending fractal, higher lows, lower highs, filling in the gap here until we reach a decision. And then on top of that, we have flatlined out on oversold. So we are gearing up and priming for a major pump within XRP. I'm very excited, and I'll show you how to capitalize on that as well. But besides all those indicators, Ethereum filling in the gap on its bottom support, Bitcoin doing the same thing, and the S&P 500 as of today just opened above its major downtrend, which in my mind means we're going to slowly start to head to the upside here. I'm pretty excited. As long as things continue to go the way they are, which I think we are going to see, We're bouncing off the moving average, and we should actually start to scale higher here. Now, obviously, we take advantage of all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Now, this is where we're going to be trading XRP as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, pretty much every cryptocurrency. But as you guys can see, Bitcoin has pretty much been consolidating here, and the way that looks on the BidFi chart is just like this. This is like a no-brainer. Like, I don't want to hear any other excuse as to like, oh, the markets don't look to be ready. What did I just do? I somehow deleted oh, well, so be it. But you can see here. Oh, wait, it's right here. Okay, whatever. We'll get rid of that too. I don't know what the heck I did. Oh, wait, did I just move it down? Oh, here we go. Okay, that's not, yeah, I didn't mean to get rid of it entirely. I still want to see it. Okay, here we go. But you can see this, like, unless you were born yesterday or just started trading in cryptocurrency, this is a massive sign of consolidation. It doesn't get any more crisp than a massive pump and a massive explosion in price is going to come very soon here. This is a beautiful indicator of big breakouts to the upside very, very, very soon. Keep your eyes peeled on it because this is going to not last that long. You have the 7-day and 25-day moving averages filling in the gap here. Once this decides to, give us a clue, then we'll know where to be buying in or where to be selling short. If we extend it out, you can actually start to see that pattern that we were drawing on the BidFi charts here. But this is clear as day consolidation, and this ultimately always sees a major break in volume, whether it's to the upside or the downside, I don't know. But if I was a betting man, I'd say more of a swing to the upside here. Now, obviously, the trade that we have here, this is going to be the big one, what I'm spending most of my time focusing on here. But as you guys can see, this is the main focus, and I truly believe we are going to see a big run to the upside here, a big pump to the upside here as well. As we fill in this gap here, more than likely, we're going to see that confirmation above here, and I'll talk more about that in a second, but we're going to take advantage of it on BidFi because as you guys can see, BidFi has BidFi has XRP to trade once this loads up. Here we go. BidFi has XRP as it comes right here. You can see XRP is right here. We have our descending fractal on the 4-hour that's filling in right here, but we'll obviously take advantage of this. We can not only buy long, sell short, but we can leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of on to want to do on XRP is offered by BidFi on the exchange right here. You can even get some free cryptocurrency to even trade around your XRP, to increase your bag of profit here because they're offering up to $2,888 by completing some simple tasks here. So it's a way to get some free cryptocurrency. You might as well take advantage of it here, but I don't know. I'm just excited to see the market, the way this market has been moving here. You can see buy long, sell short. It's only going to be probably a couple hours, if not by the end of today or tomorrow here, that we see this break to the upside here. I'm very, very, very confident that we are going to see this break to the upside. And as you guys can see here, if you want to trade around, but you don't want to use your real crypto for this and you want to test your skills or test my trade, they give you a demo account. Literally gives you 100 grand of Monopoly money to test your skills. So you don't even have to trade with real cryptocurrency. But if you're ready, you can switch to real. All I'm saying is you're watching today's video, set yourself up today. Prepare yourself today because it is only a matter of time before we see this pop on XRP and these other cryptocurrencies. I mean, look at it. We are filling in the gap. We are literally at wit's end on the bottom support here. And it's only a matter of time before we break out through this and see this swing to the upside. All we have to wait for is that confirmation. Again, I'll show you what I mean by this. If you are paying attention to the markets here and you know how to trade this, we have a clear price ceiling and a price floor. Here's a downtrend. Here's the uptrend here. If we confirm closure on the daily above here, we buy in for a long. If we close below here, we buy in for a short. Now, unlike last time where we fell or immediately here and didn't give us an early signal here, if we start to trend upwards here, put that stop loss in, enter that trade in case, because even if we see a pump fake today, the next day we're going to see that rally. So I'm going to be getting ready. I mean, it's literally, we are ready to pump, and it is going to be a very large explosion. You can see we have fallen back down to our blue uptrend here, and we are holding on for dear life, doing very well. And it's only a matter of time before we explode to the upside here. So another breakout, and look, we're damn near oversold. So a major pump is going to come for these cryptocurrencies, major reversals across the board for every crypto, including XRP. And as you can see for the S&P 500, we're starting off a very good day today with us trading above this downtrend here, which means we might start to head upwards. So keep your eyes peeled. If not today, it might be the next day. We just need to wait for those confirmations. But with that all being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.